Good morning, my dear students. I am Abhimanyu Pandey, your assistant teacher, and today I am going to start a new chapter from your geography, and your chapter name is environment. You can see here. So, what is environment? There are number of perspectives when we talk about the definition of environment. There is no any particular definitions. So, in this session, in this video lecture series, we will talk about a general concept of environment. So, environment refers to the surroundings of all biotic and abiotic things. Here you can see biotic and abiotic things. Biotic things means what? All living organisms such as plants, animals, and we human beings will be considered in biotic things or biotic components of environment. And when we talk about abiotic things, it considered all non-living things such as water, air, land, mountains, plateaus. These are the abiotic things and the major components of environment itself. Okay, so next, environment is our basic life support system. Environment is our basic life support system. Without environment, we cannot imagine the life on the earth. So, it provides us water to drink. The water we drink, it provides on the major domains of the environment by the hydrosphere. Air to breathe, food to eat, and land to live or for settlements. What environment provides us? Air for breathe, land to live or settlements, and water for drink. So now we will see a different components of environment through a diagram. So here you can see we have categorized the environment in three parts: natural environment, human environment, and human-made environment. You don't be confused in human environment and human-made environments. We human beings will be considered the major components of environment, and human-made means what? All the abiotic things or things which created by human, such as buildings, roads, monuments, schools. So, list is very long. These are the human-made environment. And next one is natural environment. The very important components. Natural environment consists land. We can call it lithosphere. Lithosphere. Second one, air. We can call it atmosphere. And the last one, water. This is known as hydrosphere. These are the three major domains of environment. In the next video, we will discuss about this in very detail. So now, moving to the next topic, human. This is the major components of environment. And human itself consists individual, family, community, education, religion, economic activities. Numbers of economic activities are taking place by the human itself. So thank you. In the next video, we will discuss more about this topic. Thank you.